They say you don't choose a project car. The project car chooses you. For me, it was this majestic hunk of misery, a Bugatti Divo. Yes, that Divo, the kind of car that graces posters, not junkyards. First impressions? Terrible. It smelled like wet socks and despair. The tires were flatter than my first attempt. But hey, I saw potential. Or delusion. Same thing, really. Step 1. Cleaning. Have you ever tried to scrape off years of rust? It's like peeling an onion, except the onion fights back. And instead of tears, you're sweating rust particles. I swear by the end of it, I was half man, half iron filing. Step 2. Parts replacement. Finding authentic Devo parts is like trying to buy a unicorn on Craigslist. I spent weeks scouring the internet and made more questionable late night purchases than I care to admit. Step 3. Painting. Oh, the paint job. You'd think spraying a car would be like frosting a cake. Nope. It's more like frosting a cake in a hurricane while blindfolded. But when that deep blue metallic finally set under the lights, magic. Pure, unadulterated magic. And then came the big moment, the first start. My heart was pounding harder than a drum solo. Would it purr like a lion or explode like a toaster in the bathtub? There it was, the unmistakable growl of a W16 engine. If angels had exhaust pipes, this is what they'd sound like. I may or may not have cried. Okay, I definitely cried. But who wouldn't? This wasn't just a car coming to life. It was my car coming to life. The first drive was indescribable. Every curve, every rev, every glint of sunlight on that pristine paint felt like a victory lap. People stared, jaws dropped, kids waved. I even saw a guy spill his coffee. Sorry, buddy, but it was worth it. This car wasn't just restored, it was reborn. And so was I, in a way. What started as a rusted dream turned into a rolling masterpiece. It taught me patience, persistence, and how to remove grease stains from literally everything. So if you're ever lucky or crazy enough to take on a project like this, remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. And maybe, just maybe, you'll find your own story worth telling.